28 that can bring you to Central Imarte, Bangkok and Kowloon City at the same time. If you would like to embrace the local culture in Temple Street, enjoy shopping in Canton Road or experience vibe of Little Thailand in Kowloon City, you just need to realize the yellow double-decker City Bus Route 28 to feel free to explore.
给我的报价的流程，也不是看，也是报，是去东西是正常有多少代办手续加这个无所谓的，就正常报上去。
呢度係青嶼幹線，由兩組分別跨越黑水門同馬灣海峽嘅大橋組成，連接住千伊島同大苗山。當中全長2.2公里嘅青馬大橋係現時世界上第2長嘅鐵路同行車兩用吊橋。呢兩段大橋自通車開始，就成為咗香港嘅靈證之一。而家睇你左手邊嘅汀九橋係全球其中一條最長嘅斜拉橋，亦係貫通新界西北部同港島各區嘅3號幹線主要部分之一。
This is the Lantau Link, the linkage between Changi Island and Lantau, Thailand, composing 2 bridges across Thap Chue Phuen and Ma Wan Channel respectively. Since Chinhua Bridge was opened for traffic, the 2.2 kilometers long structure has become a prominent landmark as the world's second longest road and rail suspension bridge. On your left is the Tinker Bridge. It is one of the world's longest cable-stayed bridge and a major component of Route 3, linking the Northwest New Territories with Hong Kong Island.